Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term ode. Introduction. The ode is a long lyric poem that delves into serious subjects with an elevated style and elaborate stanzaic structure. It has its roots in ancient Greek poetry, particularly in the work of the renowned poet Pindar, who crafted encomiastic odes to praise and honor victorious athletes in the Olympic Games. Over the centuries, the ode form found its way into English poetry, where it underwent adaptations and transformations. Pindaric odes, the classical prototype. Pindaric odes, inspired by the structure of Greek choral odes, were characterized by complex stanzas patterned in sets of three: the strophe, the antistrophe, and the epode. These odes were encomiastic in nature, celebrating the achievements of athletes and other notable figures. In the English tradition, the regular or Pindaric ode strictly adheres to the Pindaric stanza pattern, with strophes, antistrophes, and epodes written in separate stanza forms. An example of the regular Pindaric ode can be found in Ben Jonson's To the Immortal Memory and Friendship of that noble pair, Sir Lucius Carey and Sir H. Morrison. Irregular odes. Cowley's innovation. Abraham Cowley introduced the irregular ode in 1656, which deviated from the strict Pindaric stanzaic structure. Instead, Cowley allowed each stanza to establish its own pattern of line lengths, number of lines, and rhyme scheme, giving poets more freedom to adapt the form according to the poem's subject and mood. This type of ode became the most common in English poetry, and Thomas Gray's The Progress of Poesy is a notable example. Romantic odes. Personal meditation and description. During the Romantic period, poets perfected the personal ode of description and passionate meditation. These odes were stimulated by aspects of the outer scene and often revolved around solving personal emotional problems or addressing universal human themes. William Wordsworth's Odd Intimations of Immortality, S.T. Coleridge's Dejection and Ode, and P.B. Shelley's Odes to the West Wind are exemplary romantic odes that display this characteristic. Horatian odes. Calm and colloquial. In contrast to the passionate and formal nature of Pindaric odes, the Horatian ode took inspiration from the work of the Roman poet Horace. Horatian odes are calm, meditative, and colloquial in tone, often written in a single repeated stanza form. Andrew Marvell's An Horatian Ode upon Cromwell's Return from Ireland and John Keats's Odes to Autumn are noteworthy examples of Horatian odes. Conclusion. The ode was evolved significantly in English poetry, starting with the rigid structure of Pindaric odes, transitioning to the more flexible irregular odes, and eventually embracing the personal and introspective characteristics of romantic odes. The Horatian ode, with its calm and colloquial tone, provided a contrast to the passionate nature of Pindaric odes. Through these various forms, the ode has remained a powerful and enduring expression of deep emotions and profound ideas in English literature. So this was the discussion on the term ode. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.